Many Americans may not even realize that almost a year prior to the Emancipation Proclamation, President Lincoln signed the very first act of emancipation, freeing enslaved African Americans in the nation's capital, while compensating owners for each freed person.
I'm Andrae Holsey, and I am the great-great-grandson of Henson Carroll.
When I joined the military, I wanted to know how far back those roots had gone.
Since we have the DC Compensated Emancipation Act, we now have this amazing collection of records that documents more than 3,000 enslaved people who were living within the District of Columbia. It just so happens that your ancestor is one of those individuals.
That's amazing. That's amazing.
We actually have a newspaper with a record of Henson Carroll and the slaveholders. Folks spend years trying to find names of slaveholders. And so the fact that they're here and they're connected,
wow.
Not only do we get the name, we get their approximate ages.
20 years old, I had already been in the Army for 2 years.
And note that it says that he was a veteran of the Union Army.
My great-great-grandfather marched across the same field I marched across to become a soldier, so that's powerful.
Ancestry has been so instrumental to build the roots of that tree,
And now I can say, yeah, my family fought to maintain our nation's freedom, and I'm doing it too.
Brought to you by Ancestry. Find your family's history.